Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss the non-textual passages and summary from practice question bank. So guys, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon and get the notification of new videos. So let's start non-textual passage and summary writing. English activity set 1, section 4, non-textual passages. This content is depend on reading skill, vocabulary, grammar, and summary. It's a question 4. Non-textual passage is there. Non-textual passage, it means the passage which is not in your textbook or out of textbook passages. We call it non-textual or unseen passages. Okay. So let's start question number 4A. Read the following passage and do the given activities for 10 marks. In it, the first question is given there. A1, list the benefits of yoga. This question is for 2 marks, and we have to write any 4 benefits of yoga from given passage. So we have taken 4 benefits of yoga here. The first one is yoga emphasizes treatment of the root cause of an ailment. Second, yoga release mental tensions and change attitudes. The sincere practice of yoga postures is beneficial for the mind and body. And last one is yoga aims at developing the mental, physical, spiritual, and emotional facilities. Okay, these 4 contents we have taken from our given paragraph, given passage. You can find there. I have underlined the basic points like here. You can see. Okay, this one sincere practice. Okay, then reveal mental tensions and changes attitude. Yoga aims at developing. Okay, these all points we have taken from our passage. Okay, now see second one. One mistake is there here. By mistakenly T is came there, so we have to change it. Okay, here yoga word we needed. Okay, here. So guys, I wish you understand this one. Yoga. Okay, mention this word because by mistakenly T is came there, so you have to replace T into Y and you have to make it yoga. So see next one. Next one question is also depend on the same passage. Okay, this one you have to replace and Y. Okay, Y you have to write there, then it becomes yoga. I will write here Y, yoga. Now see next one. Now I have to clear this all activities. A, to complete the following statements according to the passage. 2 lines are given there and we have to complete that lines from given passage. First activities, one should believe in the. Okay, then blank line is there, we have to find the same line. Okay, but before that we will discuss these answers. The answer of this question is, one must believe in the efficiency of yoga therapy. Okay, here you can see in green color one line I have underlined. Okay, one must believe the efficiency of yoga, same line you have to write here. Second one, aerobics assure only dash. Okay, okay, once again you will find the same line here with green color. Aerobic assures only physical well-being. Okay, and we have taken the same line in answer only, we have removed that comma and we have made it as assertive sentence. Okay, aerobics assure only physical well-being. Now see question number third, fill up the word formation chart. Okay, noun, verb and adjectives we have to write. Only two words are given there, development and value. Okay, so development, this word is noun, and if you want to change it as a verb then it becomes develop. Okay, and for adjective it becomes developing. Okay, sometimes when we add ing to any word, at that time sometimes it becomes noun, but here when we added ing form to the developed word then it becomes adjective. Okay, for example, we know that developing nation, developing country, developing village, such type of words we usually use in our daily conversation. So when we add ing to develop it becomes adjective. Okay, this rule is not applicable for all words. For every word some rules always changes there. Now see second word, believe, this word is given in a verb, so we have to write the noun form of verb as well as adjective form. Now you can see here we have added ing to believe word, and then we have made it noun. Okay, this is a form of gerund we used here. And lastly, believable. Okay, this is a very simple and it is very easy to understand, it becomes adjective. Okay, so in this way you can write these answers. So question number A4 is there. A4, do as directed. First question, yoga emphasizes treatment of the root cause of an ailment. Frame WH question to get the underlined part as an answer. Okay, so we have to make a WH question and that question's answer must be the underlined phrase. Okay, so just see yoga, this one is the subject of sentence, emphasizes verb of the subject, treatment of root cause of an element. Okay, these all phrase came at the place of object. So when we talk about that sentence, then definitely we know that on which thing yoga emphasizes there. Okay, so our answer will become what does. Why we have used does? Because the given sentence is in simple present tense, because with yoga yes is connected. Okay, emphasizes, yes, this letter shows this sentence is a simple present tense. That's why after WH word we needed something like auxiliary verb. Okay, so when the sentence is in simple present tense, at that time we have to use do, does, did. So because of that, does auxiliary verb we have taken there, because yoga, this is the this comes in the category of third person. Okay, that's why does we have taken. So the answer becomes, what does yoga emphasize? Okay, now see second one, we give undue importance to our health. Begin with undue importance. It means this sentence is of change the voice. It means undue importance. This is the object of the sentence, and we know that the rule of changing the voice. The sentence begins with object. Okay, now see how we have made the answer. But first of all we have to know that identify the tense of given sentence. Okay, so the tense of given sentence is simple present. Okay, so when we want to change the simple present tense into passive voice, at that time the structure we have to keep in mind. What is the structure? Object plus, okay, is, am, are plus third form plus subject. Okay, this is the format of passive voice. Now same format we have to use here, because undue importance, this is the object of the sentence. So let's see the answer. Undue importance is given to our health by us. Okay, this becomes passive voice of given sentence. Question number A5. Do you believe yoga asanas are better than physical exercise? Justify your answer. Okay, this is the personal response question. Whatever you want, you have to write there. If you think physical exercise is better, then you can write. If you believe yoga asanas are better, then you have to write. Okay, it is depend on you. Your answer may be different from me. You can write your own opinion there. Okay, I have given one answer for you. You can see answer. Yes, I do. Yoga asanas are better than physical exercises because the yogic way of life includes a code of ethics, regulations, discipline combined with prayer and meditation. Yoga asanas help one relieve mental tensions and change attitudes. Simple asana has helped to stretch and relax the whole body and release tensions. The sincere practice of yoga posture is beneficial for the mind and body. We know that physical exercises like aerobics assure only physical well-being. Okay, maximum sentences we have taken from the passage because we believe in yoga asana. That's why that sentences we have taken. If you write your own opinion about physical exercise, then this sentence will not come in your answer. Okay, now question number 4b. Okay, this is the summary writing, and you have to write the summary of non-textual passage or unseen passage. Okay, so means uh, the question number 4a, from this question, this paragraph, you have to write the summary. Directly answer I have given to you, you can see. But first of all, we have to write the title for our summary. Okay, and after that we have to make the a short paragraph or short summary, which is totally depend on given paragraph. Okay, now see the significance of yoga. Yoga is the best one and the unique exercise. It helps us tension free by the exercise, as it helps for the mind and body. Yoga emphasizes treatment of the root cause of an ailment. It works in a slow, subtle, and miraculous manner. Modern medicine can claim to save a life at a critical stage, but for complete recovery and regaining of normal health, one must believe in the efficiency of yoga therapy. The continued practice of yoga has a profound effect on the inner dimensions of life. Yoga aims at developing the mental, physical, spiritual, and emotional facilities, help to stretch and release the whole body and release tension. Yoga has the most significance in everyone's life. So keep doing yoga and stay healthy. Okay. So in this way, you have to write. Uh, Maybe so you will find some mistake in capital letter, small letter. So guys, you have to try to understand that, because it is just it may be the typing mistake, so you have to understand it. Okay, so first paragraph completes here. Now see active English activity, second set 2. This is the same as non-textual passage, depend on reading skill, vocabulary, grammar, and summary. See question number 4a. Read the following passage and do the given activities. A1, answer in one word or two. Only within one word or two word we have to write the answer. First one, The queen of the species. Answer is cardamom. Second, the areas of cultivation of the first type cardamom. First type cardamom, it means the big one, large one. Okay. So the answer is northeastern part. Okay. Third one, any one area of cultivation of second type of cardamom. Answer Kerala, Tamil Nadu, and Karnataka. Okay, but we have to write only one or two words. That's why only one Kerala, one word, that is Kerala, we have taken here. And number four, the small variety of cardamom is known for exotic quality. This is the answer of this question. Now see, these all things we have taken from the passage. Okay, first letter, cardamom, the queen of all species. Okay, the first question's answer is there. Then second one, here you can find northeastern India. Okay, it is cultivated in northeastern India, means it talks about the second uh, first type of cardamom. Number third, second type of cardamom, that is cultivated in Kerala, Tamil Nadu, and Karnataka. So only Kerala we have taken there. And last one, exotic quality. Okay, in the last paragraph you can see a small variety is known for its exotic quality. Okay, it means from passage you can find all answers. Question number 82, provide information. Indian cardamom is said to be unique in aroma, flavor, size, and color due to. Okay, means uh, in this all category, the Indian cardamom becomes unique in aroma, flavor, and size. Okay, only that characteristics we have to write there. So first characteristic is warm, humid climate. Second, loamy soil rich in organic matter. Third one, distributed rainfall. And fourth one, special cultivation and processing methods. Okay, now see in the paragraph, this all uh, words are there here. Wild, warm, humid climate is there. Okay, means all things that we have mentioned here, that are from the paragraph. Okay, warm, humid, and loamy soil, then distributed rainfall and special cultivation method. Okay, these all things are there, you can see. Okay, now see the question number A3. Write the synonyms of the following from the passage. Okay, four words are given there, we have to write the similar words of them. Unusual, it means unique. Pleasant smell, it means aroma. Okay, aroma. Importance, significance, and holding moisture, it means humid. Sometimes some people will use a loom word for it, but humid also used as a similar word for holding moisture. Okay, these all words are from paragraph, find you can find it. Okay, this question number A4, this is based on grammar part. Now see, do as directed. Activity number 1, the first type is the large one which has not much significance. Identify the subordinate clause. Okay, subordinate. So guys, we know that subordinate clause always begins with conjunction. So in the given sentence, which, this is the conjunction, and from which to full stop. Okay, this uh, part of sentence is the subordinate clause because it begins with conjunction. Okay, so in answer we have taken the same line there, then we have underlined the subordinate clause, and after that we have to mention what is the type of that particular clause. Okay, so the subordinate clause works as an adjective in the sentence. That's why the subordinate clause type is adjective clause, because this clause works in a sentence as an adjective. Okay, so number second, cardamom is not only unique to our land but also to our senses. Okay, rewrite the sentence using as well as. Okay, so when we are using as well as, at that time other conjunctions we have to remove as well the same word. Okay, means a repetition of word, that things also we have to remove. So you can find which conjunctions are used in the question. First, not only and but also. Okay, these conjunctions are used in the given sentence. Then to are and to are, this phrase is repeated, so we have to remove any one of them. And when we remove conjunction, other conjunctions and similar part, after that we find out which two different things are there, and within that two different things we have to use as well as word. Okay, as well as phrase. This word, this phrase, we have to find which different concept, different word, different ideas are there. So between them we have to write as well as. Now you can find there uh, our land and our senses. These are two different ideas or two different things, two different words used in a sentence. That's why between them we have to write as well. So our answer becomes cardamom is unique to our land as well as senses. Okay, now see, not only this phrase we have to remove, but also we have to remove then to are only this word repeated in a sentence. That's why we have to remove any one part, okay, which is repeated. Number A5, Indian food is incomplete without spices. State your view. Okay, this is personal response. You have to write your own opinion, your own view regarding the given question. Answer is given there for you. Indian food is incomplete without spices because we Indian love spices and their aroma. Without spices, the food will become tasteless. So it has the most importance. In India, there are many types of spices we found. Even in our daily life, spices are used without food also. Like cardamom, this spice we used as mouth freshener as well. The spice tea is also having spice contents. The spices gives us something extra energy. So, in my opinion, Indian food is incomplete without spices. Okay, you have to state your own opinion if you want. Okay, so in this way, guys, you can write your own answer. This is totally depend on your own response. Okay, now see, question number 4b, this is the summary writing. So from unseen passage we have to write the summary. Write a short summary of the passage given in question number 4 and suggest a suitable title. So the title we have taken as cardamom, the queen of spice. Okay, now see the summary. There are many spices cultivated in India, but the cardamom is known as the queen of all spices. Indian cardamom has the unique aroma, flavor, size. According to size, there are two types of cardamom found in India. The first one is large cardamom and second one is a small. A small cardamom is the most important as well. It's used as a unique spice in India. The large has not much significance as it is not traded in the international market. It is cultivated in northeastern area of the country. The second type is produced in the southern state, and these are traded in the international market. These are mainly cultivated in Kerala, Tamil Nadu, and Karnataka. Spice can add layers of taste to your tea, food, and overall dining experience. The small variety is known for its exotic quality throughout the world. Because of this uniqueness, we can call the cardamom the queen of spices. So guys, in this way we have seen passages, okay, which are non-textual, I wish you understand this one. Okay. So thank you guys.